Welcome to Knowing Disability World. A person, young adult or teenager, struggles to focus, shifting from one task to another, looking frustrated. Have you ever felt like you just can't sit still, can't focus, or your mind races in a million different directions at once? You might be experiencing something called Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, or ADHD. What is ADHD? Quick-cut visuals of different people, young and older, in different settings, classrooms, offices, home. People looking distracted, shifting attention rapidly, or becoming fidgety. ADHD is a neurological condition that affects how people focus, control impulses, and regulate their energy levels. It's not just about being easily distracted, it involves a complex set of symptoms that impact daily life, from school and work to personal relationships. Types of ADHD. Animated graphic breaking down the three main types of ADHD. Inattentive type, visual of a student staring out the window while the teacher talks. Hyperactive impulsive type, visual of a child constantly moving in their seat, tapping their pencil, and blurting out answers. Combined type, visual of a person exhibiting both inattentive and hyperactive behaviors. ADHD is typically categorized into three types: inattentive, hyperactive impulsive, or combined. People with the inattentive type struggle with paying attention and organizing tasks. Those with the hyperactive impulsive type may act without thinking, feeling restless and energetic. The combined type involves both sets of symptoms. Symptoms of ADHD. A visual list of symptoms with related video clips. Inattention, someone struggling to follow a conversation or read a book. Impulsivity, someone interrupting others, speaking out of turn. Hyperactivity, a person tapping their foot, fidgeting, or talking non-stop. Symptoms of ADHD can vary widely, but commonly include trouble focusing, forgetting instructions, difficulty sitting still, and acting impulsively. These challenges aren't just bad behavior, they're part of the condition. ADHD in children and adults. Quick clips showing children in classrooms struggling with focus, while others at work face similar issues in meetings. A young adult trying to complete a work project but constantly getting distracted. While ADHD is often diagnosed in childhood, it doesn't just disappear as people grow older. Many adults also live with the condition, facing challenges at work, in relationships, and in managing their daily lives. Causes and diagnosis. Animated brain with highlighted areas of the brain responsible for attention and impulse control. A doctor talking to a parent or a young adult about symptoms. The exact cause of ADHD isn't fully understood, but genetics and brain structure likely play significant roles. Diagnosis involves a thorough assessment by a healthcare professional, considering symptoms, behavior history, and family background. Managing ADHD. A series of visuals showing different treatment methods, medication, a doctor giving a prescription. Behavioral therapy, a therapist talking with a patient. Lifestyle adjustments, healthy diet, exercise, mindfulness. ADHD can be managed with a combination of strategies: medication, therapy, lifestyle changes like exercise and a balanced diet, and behavioral strategies can all help individuals lead successful lives. Real-life testimonies. Short clips of people with ADHD talking about their experiences, feeling empowered. With the right support, I can focus on what matters. I learned how to manage my time and work with my ADHD. People with ADHD can thrive with the right tools and support. It's not about fixing the person, but about understanding the condition and finding strategies that work for them. Ending, encouragement and resources. a calm scene with someone writing in a journal, or working on a project with focus. A call to action, website links or phone numbers for ADHD support groups. ADHD is part of who you are, but it doesn't define you. If you are someone you know struggles with ADHD, remember, help is available. You're not alone on this journey. Final message. Text on screen, ADHD, understand it, embrace it, thrive with it. Fade out with soft, inspiring music. Take the first step toward understanding ADHD and unlocking potential. Thank you for watching.